Just leaves the room, doesn't say for anymore.
350 over 80 right now.
Kind of raids are Wait, what was it?
Change stratagem.
What happened?
Nothing. What?
Hmm.
Half listening.
My headset also cut off.
Yeah, good pattern. Finally. On the last pull.
Last pull.
For the record, what I just did didn't happen.
Okay.
That's nice, dear.
Pretty sure if Dark sneezed, the ambulance would hit him there.
Yep, every time. Every pull. Literally. Well, like 9 of 10 pulls. Every now and then it's not near me, but very rare.
Ignore the hand.
And oh, I should misery. Eh.
One. Oh.
Oh.
The middle, dude.
What?
Two.
What?
Three.
You gotta be a little closer.
Wait. One. Two.
Nice.
Spread out, which is one person has to die.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
You're here, we're gonna die together.
Heal me!
We played it.
Oh!
We
Right,
played.
I got Crusader. You can take
Look at the water you lost. I love how Dark and I literally turned to look at it. We're like, is he gonna come here?
I want to live, please!
Go to your spot.
Let me live! Oh, I got a... You're still gonna die, dude?
We are. Remember to get out.
And
Oh wait,
back
I'm.
up.
Okay.
Look at the chakrams. They're always opposite each other, by the way.
Oh my god, Dark's taking damage. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Are you?
yes.
Do you have both?
Unless you base them like that.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna sit here because we're gonna die.
Dead. We're gonna die.
Alright, here 1 second. Everyone.
All right, I have water in 10, 9, 8, 7.
Oh, Miko's
6.
You're gonna take this fucking thunder. No, come back.
Oh, I got another misery.
No!
I put the water in the right spot.
We got
Ever?
it. I can't believe that happened, dude. I can't believe that happened.
David's